Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Small Talk Podcast, where learning English is simple and exciting. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here with you today.
Hi, Robert. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fantastic, thank you. Your skin looks very healthy today, Emily.
Thank you so much. That's actually our topic for today.
Oh, perfect timing. This is a very useful topic for everyone.
It really is. Everyone wants healthy skin. But first, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please. And click the like button. It helps us so much. We really appreciate it.
Absolutely. And share this episode with your friends. They will thank you for it.
They definitely will. Okay, Emily, are you ready to talk about skincare?
I am so ready. This is one of my favorite topics.
Mine too. So today, we will talk about how to take care of your skin.
Yes, we will keep it simple and easy to understand.
Perfect. So, Emily, let me ask you a question. Why is skincare important?
That's a great question to start with. Skincare is important because your skin protects your body.
Exactly. Your skin is like a shield. It keeps you safe.
Yes, it protects you from the sun, from wind, from cold weather.
And also from dirt and bacteria. Your skin works hard every day.
It does, so we need to take care of it. We need to be kind to our skin.
That's right. So let's talk about the basic steps. What is the first step in skincare?
The first step is washing your face. This is very important.
Yes, washing your face removes dirt and oil.
How often should we wash our face, Robert?
You should wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once at night.
Twice a day, morning and night. That's easy to remember.
It is. In the morning, you wash away the oil from sleeping.
And at night, you wash away the dirt from the day.
Exactly. Do you use hot water or cold water to wash your face?
Good question. You should use warm water, not hot, not cold.
Why warm water?
Because hot water can dry your skin, and cold water doesn't clean well.
That makes sense. Warm water is just right.
Yes, like Goldilocks, not too hot, not too cold.
I love that story. Okay, what kind of soap should we use?
You should use a gentle face wash, not body soap.
Why not body soap?
Because face skin is more sensitive. It needs special care.
I see. So we use face wash for our face and body soap for our body.
Exactly. Each part gets the right product.
Smart. Okay, after washing, what is the next step?
After drying comes moisturizer. This is a very important step.
What is moisturizer?
Moisturizer is a cream or lotion that keeps your skin soft.
It helps your skin stay hydrated.
Exactly. Hydrated means your skin has enough water.
Do all skin types need moisturizer?
Yes, every skin type needs moisturizer, even oily skin.
Even oily skin? That's surprising.
Yes, oily skin just needs a lighter moisturizer.
I understand. So everyone needs moisture, but different amounts.
Perfect understanding. You've got it.
Great. When do we apply moisturizer?
You apply moisturizer right after washing and drying, while your skin is still a little damp.
Why while it's damp?
Because damp skin absorbs moisturizer better. It locks in the water.
That's a helpful tip. I didn't know that before.
It makes a big difference. Your skin will feel softer.
Wonderful. So we have 3 basic steps. Wash, dry, moisturize.
Yes, those are the 3 foundation steps. Easy to remember.
Very easy. But there's more to skincare, right?
There is. Let's talk about sun protection now.
Ah, yes. This is so important. Tell us about it.
Sun protection means protecting your skin from the sun.
Why do we need to protect our skin from the sun?
Because the sun has strong rays. These rays can damage your skin.
They can cause sunburn.
Yes, and over time, they can cause dark spots and wrinkles.
So we need to use sunscreen.
Exactly. Sunscreen is very important.
When should we wear sunscreen?
You should wear sunscreen every day,
even on cloudy days.
Even on cloudy days? Really?
Yes, the sun's rays can go through clouds.
I didn't know that. That's very important information.
It is, so wear sunscreen every single day.
Every single day. Got it. What number sunscreen should we use?
You should use SPF 30 or higher.
What does SPF mean?
SPF means sun protection factor. It shows how strong the protection is.
So SPF 30 is good protection.
Yes, 30 or higher is recommended for daily use.
And when do we apply it?
Apply it after moisturizer. It should be the last step in your morning routine.
So the order is wash, moisturize, then sunscreen.
Perfect. You're learning so fast.
Thank you. This is really helpful. Now let's talk about drinking water.
Oh yes, water is so important for skin health.
How does water help your skin?
Water keeps your skin hydrated from the inside.
So moisturizer works from outside and water works from inside.
Exactly. You need both.
How much water should we drink every day?
You should drink about 8 glasses of water a day.
8 glasses. That sounds like a lot.
It does, but your body needs it. Your skin will thank you.
What happens if you don't drink enough water?
Your skin can become dry and dull. It loses its glow.
Nobody wants dull skin.
No, we all want glowing, healthy skin.
So drink your water, everyone.
Yes, please. Carry a water bottle with you.
Good idea. Now let's talk about food. Does food affect our skin?
Absolutely. What you eat shows on your skin.
Really? Tell me more about this.
If you eat healthy food, your skin looks healthy.
What foods are good for skin?
Fruits and vegetables are excellent for skin.
Which fruits are best?
Oranges, strawberries, and blueberries are wonderful
Why are they good?
because they have vitamins that protect and repair your skin.
What about vegetables?
Carrots, tomatoes, and spinach are great choices.
I love all of those. Are there foods we should avoid?
Yes, too much sugar is not good for skin.
Why is sugar bad for skin?
Sugar can cause breakouts and make skin age faster.
Oh no, so we should limit sweets.
Yes, a little is okay, but not too much.
Balance is important.
Always. Balance in everything.
Let's talk about sleep now. Does sleep affect skin?
Oh yes, sleep is crucial for beautiful skin.
Why is sleep so important?
Because your skin repairs itself while you sleep.
That's amazing. Your skin has a night shift.
Exactly. It works hard at night to fix damage.
How many hours should we sleep?
You should sleep 7 to 8 hours every night.
What happens if you don't sleep enough?
You get dark circles under your eyes. Your skin looks tired.
Nobody wants to look tired.
No, we want to look fresh and rested.
So good sleep equals good skin.
Exactly right. It's called beauty sleep for a reason.
I love that. Okay, what about exercise?
Exercise is wonderful for your skin too.
How does exercise help skin?
Exercise increases blood flow. This brings oxygen to your skin.
And oxygen makes skin healthy.
Yes, it makes your skin glow.
What kind of exercise is best?
Any exercise is good. Walking, running, dancing, yoga.
Just move your body.
Yes, move your body and your skin will thank you.
This is all such great advice. Let me summarize everything.
Please do. That would be helpful.
To take care of your skin, wash your face twice daily with warm water.
Use gentle face wash, not body soap.
Pat your face dry gently with a clean towel.
Apply moisturizer while skin is still damp.
Use sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days.
Drink 8 glasses of water daily.
Eat healthy foods like fruits and vegetables.
Limit sugar and unhealthy foods.
Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night.
And exercise regularly to increase blood flow.
That's everything. Perfect summary.
Yes, these simple steps will give you healthy, beautiful skin.
And remember, consistency is key.
Exactly. Do these things every day, not just sometimes.
Your skin needs daily care and attention.
Just like learning English, practice every day.
That's a perfect comparison. Daily practice makes perfect.
For English and for skincare.
Well, I think our time is coming to an end today.
Already? Time flies when we're having fun.
It really does. This was such a useful conversation.
I agree. I hope everyone learned something new today.
I'm sure they did. Before we finish, let's ask our listeners something.
Yes, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Small Talk Podcast.
And please give us a like. Click that thumbs up button.
It really helps us reach more English learners around the world.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Everyone needs to learn about skincare.
And now for our question of the day.
We want to hear from you in the comments.
Tell us, what is your skincare routine?
Do you wash your face every day? Do you use sunscreen?
Write 1 or 2 sentences in English. For example, I wash my face every morning.
Or, I drink water and use moisturizer daily.
We can't wait to read your comments.
Yes, we love hearing from all of you.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
Thank you. Take care of your skin and keep practicing your English.
We'll see you in the next episode. Stay healthy and stay happy.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye, Robert.
Goodbye, Emily. Goodbye, everyone.